Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to make a Minecraft server using Aternos. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to look up aternos.org on our browser. And after that, it will show up, the website will show up, and at the bottom right of our screen, simply click on play. After that, what we need to do is to sign up or to log in with our account. After that, we're now here in this create server section. What we need to do is to simply click on create a server. And from there, you can have the options to change the names of your server or the description, or you can also change the edition of the Minecraft that you want to play. Let's say we're going to choose Java edition. After that, we need to, if you want, we can change it to, let's say, example. And then example. And as you can see here, we can also change the colors and we can customize our description. And from there, what we need to do is to simply click on create. After that, it will show you, or it will bring you to this section. What we need to simply do is to click on start. And it's going to ask you, do you accept the Minecraft EULA? Simply click on yes, I accept the EULA. Now, it's going to show you a notification. Please allow us to send you notifications so we can notify you when the server is online. So now, the server is currently booting up, and all we need to do is to simply wait. As you can see here, we're currently waiting in queue. What we need to do is to simply wait for the server to open or to run. And once you have been notified, what you can simply do is to click on start if it's still online or offline. And from there, once it is online, what you need to do is to click on connect, and it will show you the IP and as well as the port. And from there, click on OK, copy this link, this address, and simply paste it on your multiplayer section in Minecraft. And that's how you make an Aternos server in Minecraft. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.